Looking for a low-carb soup that's creamy and satisfying? Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where we create a lot of tasty and healthy recipes together in the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a low-carb cream of mushroom soup. Begin with a large pot over medium heat, adding 3 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil or butter. If you are going to use butter, I highly recommend trying to use butter that's made from grass-fed cows. To your heated oil, let's add in 2 cups of sliced leek, which is excellent in helping support your heart health, immune system, and your nervous system, all really important this time of year. Next, let's add 1/4 cup of chopped up garlic, which is one of the best ingredients to add to your recipes during the colder months because it helps support your immune system. Sprinkle with 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt and saute until your leeks soften, which is going to be about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, let's add in 5½ cups of quartered mushrooms, which is about 1 pound. And the mushrooms, just like the leeks, are great for your heart health and your immune system. And they also provide a great dose of iron and vitamin D. Sprinkle with the remaining 1/2 teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Cook and stir for about 2 minutes. Now let's add in 1/3 cup of liquid aminos, which is made from soy protein. So if you don't want soy, you can absolutely substitute this with coconut aminos. Both work really great in this recipe. Next, let's add in 32 ounces of either chicken broth or vegetable broth. You can always make these recipes work for you and what works for your body. So if you wanted a vegetarian option, definitely use vegetable broth. If not, use chicken broth. Simmer your soup for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remove your pan from the heat and add in the hardened cream from a can of full-fat coconut milk. Now this time of year, you probably don't need to refrigerate your can to separate the cream from the water, but you certainly can do that the night before if you want to. And then also, if you eat dairy, you can substitute this with 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Next, let's add 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which is so healthy for your blood circulation, especially if you have issues with blood clots. The juice from 1/2 lemon, which is high in vitamin C, so good for your immune system, really important this time of year. This last ingredient is completely optional. I'm going to add in 3 scoops of our clean sourced collagens powder. And what I love about this product is that it also includes vitamin C and tryptophan, which both help the body absorb the collagen. Collagen is great for your bones, your teeth, your skin, your nails, your digestion. Extremely powerful supplement. Let your soup cool for just a bit and then we're going to blend it up. You can either use a hand blender or just a regular blender, and you may have to do it in several batches. I greened up this soup just a little bit by adding some chopped up spinach. That's totally optional, so let's give her a try. That is really, really delicious. It's just a little bit salty though for my taste, so I would recommend reducing the liquid aminos, and I will have that adjustment in the recipe card below. This is delicious though. Highly, highly recommend giving this one a try, and then you can always, add a lot of different vegetables at the end if you want to add just a little bit into the soup. Thanks so much for joining me today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you can join me every week. I'm here with a new, fun, tasty, healthy recipe. Take great care of yourself and I'll see you next week.